After a period of construction, the expansion and contraction of your roof will create gaps or holes, which will lead to very annoying water leaks. Instead of having to call a repairman to repair it at an expensive cost, today I will share with you a simple but extremely effective tip. That is how to create a super sticky, super durable, super cheap glue from foam. Let's follow along. First, prepare for me about 200 milliliters of gasoline solution. This gasoline has the chemical formula, CnH2n+2. This gasoline is used for motorbikes or gasoline-powered cars. A piece of foam. Break the foam into small pieces and then put it in the above solution. You can see that the foam pieces easily shrink. Okay, now close the lid and wait about 10 minutes. After the gasoline has evaporated, this is the glue mixture I want to talk about. I tried it with my hands, you see, it sticks very well. Amazing! Now I will try to glue 2 wooden panels together with this glue. They stick very firmly, not inferior to the expensive ones in the supermarket. Try it with plastic. Apply a layer of glue on the plastic pipe. Then put them in the joint. And you will not be able to remove it anymore. This glue is also very strong when applied to plastic. Now I will go to the roof to seal the gaps and holes. Apply glue to the gaps and wait about 10 minutes for the glue to dry. It is really effective if you need a cheap but good quality glue. Follow this video I share. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video useful, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel to support me. See you again in the next videos.